There are three articles in English language: indefinite articles, a and an, and the definite article, the. In a nutshell, an article is a small word we put in front of nouns. However, it's a very general rule. There are millions of exceptions here. It's going to take a whole separate course just to teach you a small part of them. So in this course, I'm going to be teaching you some basic rules, how to use the articles. We use the indefinite article a before a non-specific singular object, some general object, not a particular one, some object, one out of many similar objects. For example, officer, I think there is a thief standing near my car. A is our article, and thief is our noun. So there is a thief near Mike's car. Some thief, one out of millions. I need a drink. A is our article. Drink is our noun. A drink means some drink, not a particular drink. Jack just saw a ghost. A is our indefinite article. Ghost is our noun. Jack just saw a ghost. Jack just saw some ghost, one out of millions out there. The article an is identical to a, but we use it before a word that begins with a vowel sound. An apple, an example, an ambulance, an opportunity, an honor. Notice here, honor begins with the consonant letter H, but we don't read it. The first sound in this word is a, honor. That's why we use the article an honor. How about the word university? Does it come with an article a or an? Well, although university begins with a vowel letter U, it begins with a consonant ub sound, university. So the article should be a university. An apple fell on Newton's head. An is the article. Apple is the noun. Some apple fell on Newton's head. One of many apples. The article, the, is a definite article. We use it when we talk about a particular object or a person. For example, the professor has called in sick today, so we can go home. The is the article. Professor is our noun. Here in this sentence, we don't mean some professor. We mean a particular person, a particular professor, the one that teaches our class. He called in sick. We can't substitute the with some. The professor is not some professor. It is a particular, very specific person. Hurry up. The train will be there in a minute. The train, not some train. One particular train, the one we are going to take. The train will be there any minute. Remember, when we use a or an, we don't talk about a particular item or a particular person. We talk about some person, some object, one of many similar objects. When we use the, we talk about a specific particular object or person. The best way to feel the difference is to practice listening, reading, watching movies, and talking to native speakers. We can only use articles a and an with singular nouns. That is when we talk about one object or one person. We can't use them with plural nouns, even with non-specific. Children like playing games, not a children. However, when we talk about specific particular plural object, we can use the. I think the children are very tired already. Let's go home. The children, these particular children. And we can't use a and an with uncountable nouns. That is nouns with no distinct shape either, because they consist of very small similar parts like sand, sugar, salt. Or if we were talking about liquids and gases like water, air, and fire, etc. When we use adjectives with noun, we put an article before the objective, or adjectives if there are several. For example, an idea, an interesting idea, a terrible idea, a very good job, a big, beautiful chocolate cake. Remember, we do not use articles with names of countries, except when the name of the country consists of several parts, or it is plural. For example, Mexico, Germany, Japan, Spain, but the United States. because the name is plural. The United Kingdom, because the name consists of several parts. Then Netherlands, because the name is plural. We also use the article the with the names of mountains, mountain chains, rivers, seas, and oceans. I want to climb the Everest. Excuse me, Professor, how much water is there in the Pacific Ocean? Those are general rules of articles. Like I said before, there are extremely many exceptions and rules when it comes to articles. Don't get obsessed with them. Just listen to how native speakers use them. Listen to how I use them within this course. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more useful content.